Hello, my name is Angie Barbosa. I am 20 years old. I am from Cali, Colombia. I live in Candelaria. I study food engineer and I work as a physical chemical analyst. I would like to tell you travel to Cartagena with my mother to celebrate my birthday. Taking advance on my vacation, the city is located in the department of Bolivar in the North Colombia. It is a beautiful city. I was a wonderful trip. We enjoy every day, spend and see people to care of us. Kindly, first, I took several photos of a beach from the rooms that could see. We'd always have the rooms. The food is delicious. We went to visit. Sometimes we walk to the beach. We visit Baru Beach. It's a beautiful place. The sea is Archer blue. I also took party bus. We toured the city and the end of the tour that we danced into the disco. The nights were cool. The city breeze was unobservable. We'd always swam on the beach during the week of staying, taking advantage of the sunny days, and sometimes we enjoy the sunny since these are wonderful. We were feeling the suns in our feet. We never ate on the beach. All meals were eaten in the hotel and in two recommended restaurants. I finally visited the Wally City in Has Castle. This architecture recalls the history of the city. I would love for you to know this place.